Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an bamda kasni. Ka Sorkar Meghalaya ha kasni ba ar klasoi ka letter of intent LOL but Starlink Satellite Communications Private Limited Starlink India. Ban penklanya ke jinyo internet but telecom ha ke jilla. Kam tam ha ki jaka kendong but ki barang duna ke network. Ya gani ke jinya soi la pelong happening ke Information Technology and Communications Department but Starlink India ka bapen pau ya ke jing tmulang ban pendon kam ya ke satellite based internet technology ban pendam ya ke jing duna ha ke connectivity ha ke leng ki benta ke jula ya ke jinya lang la pelong has activate conference hall bala penat menteri rangba konwat ke sangma ha ke jing don lang menteri ke penat information and public relations la ke men rimbui bat ki he Sorkar. Abagran shkilat pathai ko bor menteri rangba loong bagani ka project katmu ban penun kam ya ka juk start satellite internet balawan ra da ka SpaceX ka bala ban ai internet klem da shanya haki optical fiber ula ka daw babun ki jaka hamighalaya kenthop ya kishnong nong kendong ki hospital ki school ki thanat pulit bar ki office Sorkar ki dangmat ya ka jingduna ne jingye kendu jingye haki internet connectivity. Dagani ka satellite technology wat ki jaka ki bajangai tamru kena banyo ke internet ka stet bar ka scam ula ong ula penshai ru ba ka jinya soi ya ka LOL ka datang ka jinya ki ka basdang bar ka jinya chaprang jang ka project kan shania ha ki jing menjur bar jinya kran bat ka Sorkar pedeng Menteri rangba ula pen pau ka jing kermen ba ka Meghalaya kan la banong ka wei na ki jila hathan chate lammi.
So we just signed an MOU with Starlink. And the objective is to use the Starlink technology, which is a satellite-based internet services, to give connectivity to the remotest areas of our state. And as you are all aware that there are many areas, many blocks, many hospitals, schools, police stations, and other institutions and individuals that require connectivity, and sometimes it's not available. So through the SpaceX and the Starlink technology, without any optical fibers also, they will get directly connected through the satellite and they will receive high-speed internet services. Now this is a process, of course. It's just the beginning. It will take some time for it to fructify. Though we have signed an MOU, Government of India has a very important role to play. And obviously when the discussions and negotiations at the central level are complete, then Meghalaya is there to be at the front end to at least implement this in the northeast region as one of the first few states to do it. And therefore, this is a great beginning, and I am very confident that this particular project will help us in almost every sector, whether it is health, education, social sectors, or even our administration, and even for our entrepreneurs and even for policing. So it's a great step, and we really look forward to it. And I would like to thank the President and COO, Ms. Gwyn, who had joined us online. She is the President and COO of SpaceX, and the Vice President of SpaceX, Ms. Lauren, as well as the Starlink India head, and others were there. So we're very happy with this MOU, and we hope that we'll be able to implement this at the earliest.
How much it help? How much is help this Starlink internet?
I mean, it's a internet connectivity based on satellite. So obviously, the areas which don't have connectivity, this will allow us to have connectivity to those remote locations where optical fibers or towers of different telecom companies are not there. This will particularly help in ensuring that the connectivity